Hey guys, this is Kevin from UTV Stereo, and today I'm excited to talk to you about the UTV Stereo reverse trigger. This device allows you to automatically trigger a reverse light or your rear camera whenever you shift the vehicle into reverse. The best part, it eliminates the need for a separate rocker switch. This is the perfect solution for vehicles that do not have an OEM reverse wire circuit, or when you simply do not want to tap into the stock wiring. This product was originally designed for the Can-Am X3 and 2014 to 2022 RZR models. However, it can be used in any vehicle assuming the shifter has the needed clearance underneath. The best part is that there's absolutely zero shifter modification required, and it comes equipped with a wire harness to make the install a breeze. Let me show you how it works. We've designed this with 2 slots on the side here for the set screws. That way you can adjust this for any angle you might need so that the shifter can push down on the switch. You're going to run this blue wire to your accessory post on the bus bar, and then the purple wire is going to go to whatever you want to trigger, whether it be a reverse light or your reverse camera. So we've got one of our UTV Stereo reverse triggers installed on this customer's Can-Am X3, and I wanted to show you how it works. We've got our stereo on currently. This customer has a Switch Pro, so his start button is actually on the Switch Pro, but we're gonna go ahead and power on the car and give the reverse trigger power. And then we're gonna shift it into reverse, and that's gonna give power to our reverse camera trigger, and there we go.